Are you secretly craving being tied up? Or maybe after all these years, Christian Grey is still in your head. Or maybe you are actually tired of reading about kink and BDSM with your BookTok girlies, and instead of reading the smut, you actually want to try it yourself. You're in the right place. I'm Veronica Yanhs, founder of Desires Laid Bare, where we help beginners and the curious explore kink and BDSM with their whole selves, heart, body, and mind, without judgment, shame, or leaving anything on the table. I've been in the Portland kink and BDSM community since 2013, and when I first started this channel in 2017, I already had a lot to share. Now that it's 2026, I have even more to share, and even though I identify as submissive, the content in this channel is geared towards dominance, masochist, sadist. Maybe you're a brat, maybe you're a switch, maybe you don't even know. Regardless, you're here to find out, and this content will be for you. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when new content comes up, and sign up for email updates in the video description, because I will be sharing content there that oftentimes YouTube won't let me share here. Have fun playing in my channel, and I'll see you soon.